Welcome to another episode of Mondays with Milt. Now today I'm out on the shop floor, and I've told you in the past, that our standard is our standard gray paint, but I'm looking around at the staging area here on the shop floor. We got a lot of material that'll be shipped tomorrow, and as I walk out here, I see that we've got some yellow rack back panels. As I move on down the line here, we've got some white sheet metal partitions getting ready to go out. On to the next cart, we've got some black material. We've got some welded clips on the side here. Not totally sure how it's going to be used. And then over here, we've got some black sheet metal panels. These are used around like a weld cell for a large company that we do a lot of work for. And then over here, we must have a customer that really likes the orange panels and the blue post. That's probably going to be a pretty cool looking combination at the end of the day. So all of this material, whether it's yellow and white, black, orange, blue, sheet metal, wire mesh, it's all going to be shipped out tomorrow, all different areas. And over here, I even see a large yellow panel in the shape of a parallelogram or just a funny shaped panel. But there's a lot going on, a lot of custom applications. So it doesn't really matter what you might need the wire partition for or the sheet metal for. We can build you a safe, secure enclosure. So go to WireCrafters.com and you can see all of these different items on there. That's what we got this week. We'll see you next week on another episode of Mondays with Milt.